How to fix no SIM error on your iPhone. If you're seeing the no SIM error on your iPhone, the first thing what you can try to do is to simply restart your device. So you can restart your iPhone by pressing the power up and the volume buttons at the same time and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, you can try resetting the SIM card. If it is a physical SIM card, you can try to remove it and reinsert it again. If it is an eSIM, you can try to deregister or register it again. After that, simply open settings and go to general. And from general, you can simply scroll down to various options and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then select reset, then tap on reset all settings, and that way it should definitely help you with your thing. If you have added an eSIM, you can delete the eSIMs and you can add another eSIM as well to see if that helps you solve the problem. If it's still not working, you might want to try to contact your carrier of which you're using the SIM card of, because most likely now it is no longer a phone issue but a carrier issue. So I hope this video helped you understand. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.